Alright, let's see. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, next one. Jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. A big hand for Mr. Green. And also Coco. Alright, turn around. 1, 2, 3, and fly. First ring. And the second ring, big hand for Pilot. Okay, stay there. One more time, okay? Alright, one more time. Alright, let's go. Turn around. Are you ready, Pilot? 1, 2, 3, and fly. First ring. And the second ring, big hand for Pilot. Okay, good. Come on, bye. Ringo, come on, Ringo. Ringo, come on. First ring, Ringo, come on. Hey, Mr. Kasuno. Second ring, come on, Ringo. Come on, Ringo. Come on, Ringo. Hey, Ringo. Mr. Kasuno. Oh, I see. He just want to check the engine. Alright, let's go. Zoom. Your big worry. Stop with your girlfriend. Alright, let's go. Zoom. Okay, Shanti, what's your style? Sideways. A big hand for Ringo and Shanti. Good job, guys. Okay. Yellow, blue, and last one? Red. Good job, Poppy. Okay, now let's go one more time. But this time, Mr. Kasuno, let's start with the red first.
Yeah, there we go.
Red. Blue. Okay, stop, Mr. Kasuno. Okay, now let's exchange. Switch. Red. Good job, Poppy. Last one. Yellow. Big hand for Poppy. Good job, Poppy. Where is it? Good job, Jody. Okay, now let's go one more time. But this time, Mr. Hilmi, can you please spin it a bit faster? Spin it fast, okay? Where is it? Good job, Jody. Okay, and now I need one volunteer, please. Alright, good one, Mr. Mike. Okay, this is our Mr. Mike Tyson, our changeable hawk eagle. Alright, good one, Rainbow. Okay, Rainbow is a very good hunter and comes with a very powerful beak. Okay, and now he will show you guys how normally he catches a prey on the ground. Okay, stand on and throw. Good job, Q. Come on, Q, let's go. Stand on and throw. Excellent, Q. Last one, Q. Come on, last one for today. Stand on and throw. Good job, Q. Big hand for Q. Thank you, Q. Okay, and now let me introduce.